Hello everyone. Today we are going to see combining ratio. These questions are very important for GCSE foundation and they literally come for 3 or 4 marks. So let us see combining ratio. This is the exam style question. Rijwan writes down 3 numbers A, B and C. A ratio B equal 1:3, B ratio C equal 6:5. Find A, B, C. Now they are asking you to write your answer in A, B, C. Okay, so you need to write in this way, A, B and C. So first we will get the information, what the information is given to us. They have told us A ratio B is 1:3, right? Next is yes. B ratio C is 6:5 and you need to write your answer in A ratio B. So now we are looking to combine B. Okay, so you are looking to combine B. So you have B here, you have B here. You need to combine them now. So you're going to see how you can make 3 6. So how many 3 can make 6? 2. So you will do times 2 here. Whatever you do here, you do with the A. Times 2 here. Okay. So as you finish this, then you're going to say, then you're going to write the answer. So A is 1 times 2 is 2. B 3 times 2 is 6 and you have 6 here because you have combined, because however we need to make them same. Okay, so B is 6 now and C is 5. We are done. Okay, so this is your answer now, A ratio B ratio C. So the technique over here is that you are combining B. Okay, and now they have an extension question. Express A as a fraction of the total of the 3 numbers A, B and C. So you need to write in fraction, and you know when you want to write in fraction, so you have numerator and you have denominator. Denominator are always total. So denominator, when you write the denominator, it has total. So you're going to total this 13. So this is your denominator. And they want A. So how many are A? 2. So your fraction will be 2/13. So this way you are going to combine the ratio. Okay. Let us see one more question. Exam style question. In a village, the number of houses and the number of flats are in ratio 7:4. So it is houses and flats. Okay, so it's houses. You're going to write houses and flats, and they are 7:4. 7:4. Okay, let's see the next information. The number of flats and the number of bungalows are in the ratio of 8:5. So now you have next flats and bungalow. It is 8:5. So this is the information given to you. And one more information is given here in the question. There are 50 bungalows in the village. How many houses are there in the village? Now we need to find how many houses. So now first let us solve this combined ratio. Okay, so now you can see, what you look here very carefully, what you are going to combine. So we are going to combine flats because you have flats in both the ratios, right? So flats, and now you're going to try to make them same. So you are going to think how you can make this 4 8. So it will be, how many 4 can make 8? 2. So you do times 2 here. Whatever you do here, you do here. Times 2 here. Okay. And now you're going to write new ratio. it will be H house ratio flats ratios bungalow. Okay, now we are going to write it down. So now you will see house, how many houses? 7 times 2 is 14. So just write down 14. Flat 8, you are going to write only once. So flat is now 8 because we have combined them, made them same. Okay, and bungalow is 5. Right, now they have given us information that there are 50 bungalows in the village. Okay, how many bungalows? 50. Okay, so how many bungalows are there? 50. How many houses are there in the village? We need to find now houses. We need to find this one. Okay, now you're going to ask yourself how many. Now you're going to ask yourself how many 5 can make 50. So 5 times 10 is 50. Yes. So we are looking for only houses. Same way you will do times 10 here with the houses. So 140 times 10 will be 140. So houses are 140. Okay, so you're going to write your answer 140. And this question is 3 marks, and this will be mostly at the end of the foundation paper. 3 marks. Okay, so you can see here how we have done this question. So they have given you the information, you have written the ratios. Okay, you have to write the ratio, you have to write first all the information what is given in the question, then you're going to combine it. Okay, because you have flat here, you need to combine them. Okay, so you're going to just ask yourself how many 4 can make 8. So it's 2 times 2. Whatever you do here, you will do same with the other side. Okay, this one, so times 2. And now you're going to combine and write houses, flats, bungalow. And you have 14 here, 8 here, and then 5. Okay, because you have literally, you have combined this. Then you need to write only once. So this is only once. Okay, and then now they have told you you have you have 50 bungalows. So 50 bungalows, so you're going to ask yourself how many 5 can make 50. Is 10 because you're dividing. Okay, so even you can divide and see how many 5 can make 50. So it's 10. So 5 times 10 is 50. Makes sense. So we need to find the houses. So you will just times by 10 here and you get the answer 140. And this answer, final answer, you're going to write here 140. And when you're doing your exams, examiner love to see your working. Okay, so you need to show all your working, how you got the final answer. So always show your working help us to get the marks. Okay, so working is very important in GCSE exam. So always show your working, how you got your final answer, and then write the final answer over here. If you don't write your final answer here, you lose 1 mark. So always write your final answer on the dash given to you. Okay, perfect. Thank you.